Alright guys, what's up? Wanted to do a little 2021 walk around on the KTM minis. So here we have the 65 and 285s. No major changes or anything like that, but just wanted to show you what they look like behind a real camera here, and not just a promo shot. I actually really like the graphics if you compare it to the big bikes, which would be right here. The big bikes look fine, and normally I'm not a fan of excess white, but for some reason that shroud and everything together just really flows really well. I like the looks better than the 2020 models for sure. Now, one thing to remember on the mini bikes, the graphics are not molded in the same as the big bikes. So this is a sticker on top. This centerpiece is part of the shroud, and these are all stickers on the back, I believe. No, the center of this fender is part of it, but this sticker and the sticker that has the model info is not. So a little different than the big bikes, but these things definitely look sharp.